are getting for you, and these updates are from Karnataka. Citizens battle flood misery, but the Chief Minister gets the red carpet. In scenes that scream apathy, Congress's top brass, it seems, has turned tragedy into misery tourism. First came the gala celebrations as the city drowned, the Bengaluru city. Now a grand red carpet welcome for the Chief Minister. The visuals that you are seeing on your screens right now, these visuals have sparked public anger as those in power appear more concerned with optics rather than action, rather than people of Bengaluru, people of Karnataka. Red carpet has been removed now, that's what we are learning, after public outcry. That's the latest update. Coming in, let me go across to my colleagues joining us on the broadcast. We have Neha Hebale as well as Imran live with us right now. Neha, to you first. We're getting to know that this red carpet for the Chief Minister that was laid out earlier has been removed now.
Well, that's absolutely right. Of course, given how much public anger and ire there is right now against the administration, for merely not having attended to them at a critical time. For the past 48 hours now, Bengaluru has been witnessing incessant rains. We've seen the manner in which, several streets have been flooded. People are angry, given that, many of them not able to access their homes, their power cuts that we're seeing, basic, amenities like, of course, food and water, essentials that they're not able to access at home, given how much water has entered. And at a time like this, at a time when the Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister, have finally decided to undertake a round of the city to try and, assess the damages and try and understand the mood on ground, we're seeing a red carpet welcome there. In fact, an entry being put out for the Chief Minister. Time and again, of course, questions being raised about whether the government is serious about addressing the people's concerns. What started with the Home Minister, in fact, making a statement there, going on to say that people are responsible for the mess that the city reels in every time it rains, to now, of course, the celebration that we saw of the 2 years when people were suffering, to now the latest, this red carpet also. It's just been controversy after controversy. What we're told right now is that the red carpet, of course, is being rolled back, from that very location in HBR layout where the Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister were paying a visit.
Right. Stay on with us, Neha. Let me go across to Imran.